और स्टफिंग देखिए पूरा फिल्ड। थोड़ा सा चटनी लगाए एंड
Welcome to Greedy Gulper. After having relished the steamed momos during our Darjeeling trip, we had to try our hands on it. So here we are with some chicken steamed momo for you today. Let's start with the soup. For this we need the bones of the chicken, ginger, garlic, onion, green chilies, pepper powder, salt, sugar, MSG though optional, spring onions and oil. In a cooker, place the extracted bones from the chicken, chopped onions, chopped ginger, chopped garlic, chopped chilies, salt, sugar, MSG, pepper powder, and approximately 750 ml of water and oil. Cover the lid and allow 3 to 4 whistles. Let it cool by itself. Meanwhile, let's make the dough for the momo. In a mixing bowl, take flour, add salt and some oil. Mix the oil very well with the flour. Take 2 to 3 minutes time for this. Pour a little water and start making dough. The dough should be hard initially but resist adding water. Keep kneading for at least 10 minutes. There, we can hear the whistle come out from the cooker. So our soup is also getting ready. The dough should be a little hard. Once it's ready, and let it rest for at least 1 hour. Now comes the time to prepare the fiery red chutney. For this we need 3 to 4 tomatoes and about 8 to 10 dry red chilies. Chopped ginger, garlic, chilies, salt, sugar, MSG. Cut the tomato into half. Heat water in a wok and place the tomato and red chilies. We have de-seeded the red chilies to reduce the heat, but if you wish, you can always keep it intact. Boil the tomatoes and the chili for about 10 to 15 minutes or till the tomato softens. Cool, remove from water and let it cool further. Peel off the outer skin of the tomato. Now transfer the blanched tomatoes and chilies in a blender, along with the chopped ginger, chili and garlic. Add some MSG, salt, sugar and oil. Cover and make a paste. Our momo sauce or red chutney is ready. Now's the time for the most essential part, that is the momo stuffing. For this we need boneless meat, 1 small chopped onion, garlic, ginger, green chilies, spring onion, salt, sugar, MSG optional, pepper powder and oil. We use the boneless chicken. We have chopped the boneless chicken into small pieces. We have also used some chicken fat because this renders a softness and keeps the stuffing moist. Transfer the meat to a blender and make a coarse paste. Once done, transfer the meat into a mixing bowl and add finely chopped onions, garlic, ginger, chopped chilies, spring onions, both the bulb and the leaf, salt, sugar, MSG, pepper and oil. Mix all the ingredients very well . And rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes. We start with the wrappers now. After resting the dough for an hour, it has softened considerably. Extract a handful of dough and then divide into portions of 20 grams each. Make them into disc shape. Dust with flour and flatten them into thin wrappers. The edges should be thin. We are making all the wrappers at one go. Once done, take a wrapper, fill in with a spoonful of chicken filling. On the edges, apply some water and make dumplings as shown. Watch how we are folding the edges. There are a number of ways of folding the momo. A lot of people known to us resist making momos as they find it uncomfortable folding the momos. We are showing you one of the easiest folds which we found convenient and fast. Momos were invented in Nepal way back in the 14th century. This was influenced by the Chinese dumplings. Though it's not very clear how momos have traveled to India, but nowadays it is very popular across India and is available in almost all major street corners in every metropolitan city. Momos are a traditional delicacy in Bhutan, Nepal, Sikkim, Assam, and North Bengal. Steam for 10 to 12 minutes. Transfer the soup into a bowl. Garnish with the greens of the spring onion and pepper. Well, that's completely optional. After 12 minutes, remove the cover and check. By now, the momos have become fluffy, which indicates it's done. Now it's time to serve the piping hot momos with the soup and fiery red chutney. If you find our recipe of chicken steamed momo easy, do give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Greedy Gulper for more such upcoming videos in future.